Hello, everybody. It's Daniel with Website Candy, and I have this small, quick little tip I want to share with you guys, and it's just groundbreaking for me. Okay, that's the reason why I really want to show you this. But if you go over here to your settings, and you scroll down here to text, there's a couple ways you can get here, or you can just type in text replacement right here in your search. But right here under keyboard is what I'm trying to get to as far as the text replacement. I just did this yesterday. Typically, when I'm texting, I just think it's really bad grammar, and it just really bothers me because it makes me look like an idiot when I do it, even though this is the way I talk. So, hey, I guess I am an idiot. But I say gonna instead of going to. I say wanna when I say want to. And here's some other things that I've done with text replacement. I always fat finger the word time with TOME. And for some reason, I have no idea why, I always type the word toy for the word you. So it would automatically populate once you type in this right here of what you normally do, or you say with like Siri or the case may be. Um, Once you kind of pop all this in, this is what will translate through your devices. And once you do this on your phone or your computer or your iPad, it will translate between all three via iCloud, as long as you're logged into the same iCloud with those accounts. So I'm just going to create a new one real quick with you guys to show you how it works. And I want to say the word, let's say, I don't know, I probably should have thought of a word before I started the video, but I want to say, um, I don't know. I can't make up a word. Hava. Let's say I say hava all the time, as far as I have an ideal for a video, whatever the case may be, right? So, say the phone hears that way. Say I was to type it this way for whatever reason. You understand the example here. But if I said hava, I want to say have to. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just hit OK, and you can see right here that's been added to my list. Hava. So the first thing I want to show you here on the phone is when I go to my phone, I go to my settings, I scroll down here to the very bottom, and actually I go to General. Sorry about that. I go to General. Right here is Keyboard. I hit Keyboard and Text Replacement, and you're gonna see right over here, don't make me look like a fool, Hava, HAVVA, which is right here, and it's going to say have to, right? So it's already translated to my phone, it's already on my computer, and I'm pretty sure it's already on my iPad. So let me show you how this works in real time. I'm gonna go over here, create a quick note, and I want to say gonna, and you see it translated to going to. I want to say, what's the other one I use all the time? Wanna. And it translated to want to. I'm going to say have a, and it's going to translate to have to. So just a quick, easy way to make yourself look a lot better when you're texting or you're dropping characters on any of your devices when it comes to some of your bad languages that you use. So give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you, and leave a comment below if you want me to start making videos more frequently again. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.